Hey guys, it's Brie Halo here, and this is my Aurra Sing makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials. And so I finally filmed this one. I've been wanting to film it for a little while now. Apparently all the characters I want to paint in the near future are bald, so this will come in handy. Hope you like this one. It's the first time I've tried just solely painting and not using any other makeup things. So I'm not using any powders, shadows. Oh, well, except for my lipstick. That was the only non-face paint, body paint product that I used, but I'm really happy with how this one turned out.
I met a boy, said he was the one for me. Thought I was a toy, pulling at all my strings. He didn't know. Storms rolling in, now I got control. I strike just like lightning. Go and pick a card. Now you're queen of hearts. You could play my love game. You could play but I always win. Roll the dice and you take a spin. You could play my love game. You could play but I always win. La 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 love game. Make a move. Just to play along. Just enough on the door. Why is that so wrong? I let you get a head start, but you won't get too far. Your girl got tricks up her sleeve. You're not in charge. You could play my love game. You could play but I always win. Roll the dice that you take a spin. You could play my love game. You could play but I always win. La 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 love game. Go and pick a card. Now you're queen of hearts. Go and pick a card. Now you're queen of hearts. You could play my love.
But before I go, I wanted to show you guys something that I've been working on for a little while now. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's too big. But I've made a pretty much life-sized BB-8. 100% crocheted. He's really big. He's got antenna like me. Yeah, he took a couple weeks to make. Hopefully I'm not putting any body paint on him. If I do, I will cry. But yeah, I finished making him. First time writing up an actual pattern to sell for other people to use as well. So I'll keep you posted on that. But look, I made our BB-8 and his head swivels like completely free and it's still attached. See? That doesn't look too good, but he is still attached, so you can just rotate it as necessary. But this side is a cute side. But yeah, so you might be seeing him in the future for other makeup videos or maybe at Supernova.
You can play but I always win. Roll the dice.